View Wheelzy Papa.
View Wheelzy Mama. Their car kids are cute, but do cause drama. Vroomy! Vroomy! They like to play. Bloom Boom the baby drops something every day. Grandpa Ladle is the one who steps in to help. He will make sure car kids will get on well. The Wheelzy Family.
This is little Plumey. He's learning to drive fast.
Oh, paint.
Oh, Plumey, you don't need to cry at the table. Honey, you can use words to explain what you need.
Could I have the paints, please? Please.
Ah, now Mom understands. Here you are. You're still a little dump truck, but you can pretend to be a strong bulldozer.
Plumey is now pretending to be a big, strong bulldozer. Now his big scoop can push the paint cans along. Grandpa Ladle is preparing a surprise for his grandson.
Look! What is this?
Crash?
Ha!
A car!
Color it! What color is it?
It's yellow.
Try again.
Yellow.
Nope. And this one?
Yellow.
Well done, Plumey.
Plumey's brother and sister also decided to play school.
What color is the watermelon?
The watermelon is green.
Bleh, you're wrong.
Right.
No.
Yes. Come on. Come on. Look, the watermelon's green. I'm right.
Mommy! Mommy, can I have some watermelon, please? Nya, nya, nya. The watermelon is red.
Broomy also wants to ask his sister a difficult question.
Mom, what color is the cookie?
Well, it's brown on the outside and white in the middle.
Roomy!
Huh?
What color is the cookie? Is it brown? No, it's white.
And mine! What color is mine?
Black?
No.
White?
No.
Pink.
No. My cookie is rainbow colored. You would never guess.
Now, stop you two. You both know so many colors, but you don't know that you shouldn't eat paint? Huh?
Hey, you can eat my paints. What a delicious school!
Red. Green. Yellow.
Red.
Plumie also wants to be in Mom's school. Mom's school turned out to be the best school of all.
View Wheelzy Papa.
View Wheelzy Mama. Their car kids are cute, but do cause drama. Roomy! Roomy! They like to play. Bloom Boom the baby drops something every day. Grandpa Ladle is the one who steps in to help. He will make sure car kids will get on well. The Wheelzy Family.
This is Mama Wheelzy. She's cooking tasty cakes. Who's this? It's Grandpa Ladle. These are cupcakes. Hey, who's that laughing? Let's see. It's Broomy and Vroomy. They're watching funny cartoons.
A hamburger, please. One hamburger. Thank you. A salad, please. One salad. Ah, thank you. An apple juice, please. One apple juice. Thank you. An ice cream, please. One ice cream. Many thanks. A glass of water, please. Water.
Ha! Broomy and Vroomy are trying to copy the cartoon. Vroomy got a face full of hamburger. It's a pan of chips. Oh dear! Broomy, what did you do?
Whoops.
What happened? Kids, stop that, you little rascals.
But Grandpa, we're playing restaurants like in the cartoon.
So,
This is a restaurant, yes? And you're a customer. And you're the waiter. There are much better ways to play with food. Follow me. Let's find out who the best waiter is. Hey. This way.
Red versus blue.
Listen, you two waiters.
Yeah?
You must find some fruit. Here.
I'll find red fruit. And I'll find the blue fruit. Red fruit! Blue fruit! Red fruit! Blue fruit will win! I found a fruit. But pears are yellow.
Broomy is looking for red fruit. She really wants to win this game. She can see orange fruit. And she can see yellow fruit. But she cannot see red fruit.
Hey, Plumie! Give me the raspberry!
Hey, Plumie. Your sister asked you for a raspberry. But we don't give people food that's already been in your mouth.
There aren't any blue fruit. Oh, blue? Broom, broom, hooray!
Okay, kids. Now let's go home. And clean up. Your mom is at home playing restaurants too. Come on.
Blue. Yum, 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 yum. Red. Yum, yum, yum. A tasty cupcake.
Oh, my children love eating. View Wheelzy Papa.
View Wheelzy Mama. Their car kids are cute, but do cause drama. Broomy! Vroomy! They like to play. Bloom Boom the baby drops something every day.
Grandpa Ladle is the one who steps in to help. He will make sure car kids will get on well.
The Wheelzy Family.
Papa Wheelzy has brought the children some presents.
Whoa! Oh, wow! Vroomy, look! We have presents! Thank you, Dad. Do I get one too?
Of course. I bought everyone their own suitcase. Plumie, you can put your toys in your suitcase.
Ball!
And your milk bottle. Vroomy's putting her toys in her suitcase.
I'm going traveling! Yeah, me too! Let's go! Over the sofa! And through the kitchen!
Do you think you could all do your traveling outside?
Roomy's taken her brother's suitcase outside.
With toys for the sand pit! I've made a fairy castle!
Now there's a crack in Broomy's suitcase.
But I can try and fix it!
Broomy feels quite bad for taking her brother's suitcase outside now that it's broken. Putting tape over the crack hasn't worked.
I will have to buy Broomy a new suitcase!
Broomy's at the shop now.
Oh! Oh, yes! Oh, I found one!
Oh no, Broomy. That's not for sale. Somebody has already bought that one.
Huh? Oh. That's too bad. Oh, I'm so sorry I couldn't get you a new suitcase, Broomy. It's okay, Broomy. I forgive you.
Well done, Broomy. You did the right thing then. Look what Plumy's brought for us.
He's brought some tape, stickers, and paint. Now, Broomy's suitcase is all lovely and colorful. You can't see the crack at all.
Who's got the best looking suitcase now?
I do. I want one like that too.